Hello, I'm Pamela from Livingstone Estates. Today, I'm excited to introduce something special we've created exclusively for you, the property owners of Guadalmansa. It's our bi-weekly newsletter, Guadalmansa Insider, a dedicated source of information and insight tailored just for our community. In each edition of Guadalmansa Insider, we'll explore 4 key areas to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. First, we delve into the wider real estate sector. From a more general perspective, we gather news and trends that are pertinent to you as a property owner. This is about giving you a broader perspective on the market. Next, we zoom in Guadalmansa. Whether it's a new culinary hotspot or the latest neighborhood developments, you'll be the first to know what's happening in your area. As your trusted partner, we offer exclusive advice in each newsletter, from the latest in home decor trends to renovation ideas. We provide insights on how to enhance and increase the value of your property. And finally, our market update. This section is crucial. We highlight a property we have recently sold and present a new listing. It's a snapshot of Guadalmansa's real estate dynamics, keeping you fully informed. This newsletter is our way of staying connected with you and ensuring that you, as valued members of Guadalmansa community, are always informed and empowered. Look out for Guadalmansa Insider in your inbox every 2 weeks starting in 2024. It's crafted with dedication just for you.